Plenty of leaks, reports, speculation around the launch. What are you looking for specifically from tomorrow?
Well, I think the main question heading into the event is actually going to be the timing of that higher-priced iPhone 8 device. And our view is it probably goes out in line with the other two devices on September 22nd, despite some of the production issues that are going on. That being said, we do think the supply constraints are going to be pretty substantial in the December quarter. So our expectation is Apple probably manages that iPhone cycle pretty nicely when it comes to the geographic side of things. So expect it to maybe be available in the US and some other key markets, but held off in other markets.
Angelo, let's be specific. What is it that's stopping them from rolling this out more effectively? Where are the supply constraints? Is it the screen? Is it elsewhere?
Yeah, I mean, really, it's kind of similar to what we saw with the iPhone 6, and that is as kind of Apple shifts to, shifts the screen size of this. Well, and with the iPhone 6, it was the screen size. With this device, it's the shift from LCD to OLED devices. So that OLED display, we think, is going to cause some of the issues. So originally, Apple was looking to, for instance, put the fingerprint sensor within that OLED display. Likely, that's not going to be included because of some of the issues there. But nonetheless, the supply constraints are coming from the OLED side of things.
So we hear a lot about this $1,000 iPhone, if not more. At the same time, Samsung has one out for $950, right? How is that doing?
Yep. Yeah, so I mean, I believe, to your point, the Note 8 recently at least started accepting pre-orders. It's going to physically come out this week. From what Samsung had said last week, the Note 8 orders have been the best they've been since, from prior launches. So thus, at least in the U.S. So our view is there is a market for this higher tier kind of priced phones. So as far as the $1,000 phone is concerned, we do think there's going to be an appetite there from consumers.